Hi everyone. Before we get started, I would like to introduce you Oracle GPNP profile. Essentially, GPNP is a distributed service where agents on each node work together, ensuring high availability by replicating profile without needing a central master process. It automatically connects with the peer services by using multicast discovering, making it easier to manage and integrate new node into the system. This is Kamran Hussain. Now let's discuss in detail. GPNP defines a node metadata, including information about network interfaces for public and private connections, the ASM server parameter file, and CSS voting list. GPNP profile is a XML file which located in a grid home, that is directory GPNP hostname and the profile folder. Let's look at Oracle Clusterware startup sequence. First start node or machine, then start OHASD service, third one start GPNP daemon, and fourth start Oracle ASM. As we know, OCR and voting days are on ASM, but Clusterware required them to start CRSD and CSSD, and both of these files are on ASM, which itself a resource of node. So how does cluster start? Which file does it exit to get the information need to initiate the Clusterware? To address this, Oracle introduced two local operating system files, that is OLR and GPNP. When a node in an Oracle Clusterware restart, OHSD starts using method specific to the platform. At that stage, OHSD will access the OLR file, which is stored on a local file system. The OLR file provides the necessary information to complete the OHASD initialization. OHSD start the GPNP daemon and CSS daemon. The CSS daemon will access the GPNP profile which is stored on a local file system. The GPNP service is a distributed system where all GPNP agents work together to replicate and share configuration profiles across the network. Each node in the network runs its own GPNP agents, and these agents communicate with each other in a peer-to-peer manner, meaning there is no central or master agent which controlling the process. This design ensures high availability because even if one GPNP agent fails, then other agents continue to function, allowing new node to join and access the necessary profile. GPNP uses the standard IP multicast protocol provided by MDNS, that is multicast DNS, to discover and locate other GPNP agents within the network. Through this multicast discovery, a GPNP agent on a new node can automatically find out other agents that may have profile it needs without requiring manual configuration. This makes the GPNP profile resilient and self-managing in the cluster environment. Let me contour it with a simple example. The GPNP service is like a group of friends who all share important information with each other. Each friend or GPNP agent has a copy of its information and they work together to keep everything up to date. If one friend can't help because they are busy or their computer crashes, okay, so the other friend can still share the information with new people who join the groups. This makes sure the group can keep working if one person is not available. The way these friends find each other is like using a special kind of message that everyone can hear. This is called multicast. When a new friend joins the group, they use this special message to find others and get information they need without having to ask for the directions or set anything up ahead of time. So in short, GPNP is a system that helps computers in a network share important information with each other automatically and it keeps working smoothly even one computer has problem.